think we are live. Welcome to the third episode. As usual, we're gonna start off with the economic calendar. As you can see, today is not really much going on. We've got some building permits, but I don't think that's gonna move the market too much, to be honest. Whatever had to happen already happened. So yeah, let's go to Nasdaq. Good old Nasdaq. Okay. If you were here yesterday, which I wish you were, I said I wanted to see a rejection off of this daily order block and trade into this sell side liquidity, which as you can see happened. It's actually a nice little move. Today, what happened today? Let's go into the daily. Move this. This internet. Wait, let me check the volume. Okay, the volume's fine. I'm using a new mic today because yesterday and the day before, if you didn't have headphones, you most likely didn't hear me. So yeah. Let me take this. Okay, what am I looking for today? I'm probably still bearish after this rejection off of this order block. So I'm probably looking for this fair value gap to get traded to. Got this nice sell side liquidity here. Inside the daily order block. So this is what I'm watching for. Let's drop down into the hourly. Okay, so on the hourly we did trade into this hourly order block and seem to be rejecting it, but not quite, because we did reject this order block. So we are kinda in the middle. Let's look at ES. What did ES do yesterday? Let's go to the daily. Pretty much same thing on ES, we rejected the daily order block. And then inside that daily order block we formed a 4-hour order block which we also rejected. And now, question is, do we reject from here? Or do we grab these? Because overall, obviously I'm bearish. If I'm bearish on Nasdaq, I'm also bearish on ES. That only makes sense. Welcome back to Nasdaq. Let's go to the hourly time frame. Okay. I'll be back in a second. I think my cat had a shit. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Let's have a look. So I think before going any lower, definitely want to see these highs get taken. Why is it not doing it? Yeah, buy side liquidity. Okay, and in that case, if we do take buy side liquidity, where's the magnet now? I'm gonna be watching how we react to the 0.75, which is just above the buy side liquidity, just above this high. It's a midnight high. Because obviously if you're gonna be really bearish, then we're gonna reject off of it and go lower. And here we have a lot of wicks. Let's just say it's not the best price action this morning. I don't even know if I'm going to participate in this price action. Yesterday was just too clean. Let's look at DXY. What is DXY doing? Still consolidating, basically. Been in this little consolidation since Wednesday. Got these equal highs. Take this off. Do maybe take these highs. Project to hold this 4 hour on the block. Make this shit orange. 4 hour. Bearish OB. Take this liquidity to then go lower. Wait, this is a red folder? No, it's orange. And obviously if dollar is gonna go higher, then we're gonna see some bearish movement in the currencies. But yesterday we talked about this dealing range. And we took the sell side here, buy side here, and this is your dealing range. But this could also be a dealing range. That would actually make a lot more sense. We got buy side taken here, sell side taken here. And now we just accumulate around the 50. Go back to DXY. Free. Extend this shit. Yeah, that makes a lot more sense. Then we got the 50 above these highs. Look at you. Oh, this fucking internet. And then we could use the 50 to bounce lower. Grab these. And then we have this over the block here. maybe even this fair value gap. Make this shit blue. Fair value gap. Make this shit bigger. Right. Okay. Oh, this internet's killing me. It's fucking killing me. And then daily. Just a bunch of wicks. I mean, we are respecting bearish PD arrays. We did have this market structure shift to the upside. So I think I'm more bullish on the currencies and obviously bearish on the dollar. Okay, let's just watch and see what happens. Oh shit, my bad. But for now, I think I'm gonna see this order block. OB top. And let's just see what happens. Let me drop to the hourly. Yeah. So on the hourly, we have this hourly order block inside this hourly fair value gap. Okay. Come back to Nasdaq. Good old Nasdaq. Not much going on really. Make this bigger. I guess we're just gonna have to watch and see what happens after we take this buy side, if we take this buy side. I'm not saying we will, but for me to even think about taking an entry today, which I might not because this price action is not the best, but for me to take an entry I need to see this buy side taken, and then possibly a nice rejection off of it, possibly even trade into this order block. Which is also an order block on the 5 minute. Let me see on the 1 minute. An order block on the 1 minute, okay. This is a new end dog, new week, new day opening gap. It'll be interesting to watch if we trade in there. Oh, this silly cut. Okay. Okay, let's just watch this for now, see what happens. I'll be back in 5 minutes. saying my internet's too slow. So, did anything happen? Nope. Still consolidated, kind of. Go back to Dixie. Oh, my internet's super slow today, I don't know why. Oh, what the fuck is going on? I like this reduction. I like when we have let's say, this is a 4-hour bullish order block. Then we drop low onto the hourly. You have this hourly order block, which we also rejected. Then we drop into the 15-minute. You have this 15-minute order block, which we also rejected. Then into the 5-minute. We have this 5-minute order block, which we rejected. And probably in the 1-minute, there's also going to be an order block. Of course there is. Where is this shit? Yeah. All of these candles are just one big order block. If you don't know, go and study core content monthful. And then every order block we form, we respect it. Every bullish PD array is getting respected. What these cuts? 1 sec. Oh, I think Nasdaq moved a little. Let's have a look. Yes, sir. Okay. So in this case, like we did here, we have this bearish order block. We drop into the hourly. We have this hourly into the 15-minute. Just the 15-minute order block right here. And the 5-minute, another order block. And the 1-minute, obviously it's going to be an order block here. Bit of sauce. Let's look at DXY. That's just fucking ugly. Look at this. Wicks on both sides. Today's just all about waiting and not taking any shit setups. Ooh. Nasdaq is going up. Nasdaq's going up. I like that. I mean, on the 4 hours, just a big wick, nothing else. The closest order block is all the way up here. I need to check on my other account now. On my laptop. I mean, I think I could see price getting up here. I do have some levels. Oh, this fucking cat. So yeah, as I was saying, I think I could see price getting somewhere up here, trading into this order block, and yeah. We'll see what happens. And if we do get up here, then we will trade into this 4-hour order block. We do have this hourly and we have this inversion fair value gap up here, as well as this breaker block. Right, let me remove. Oh shit. What the fuck? Yeah, I definitely want to see price get up here for me to be even thinking about taking an entry. I mean, obviously you might try buy it, but for my model, it's a bit different. I need to see it trade up there, then make a little reversal and continue to the downside. Yeah, for sure. Buy side. Yeah, until we hit this level, I'm sitting on my hands, not really doing anything. I would want to see price get up here maybe by 9, and then when 9:30 opens up the New York session, see a little reversal, and then push lower. That's what I'd be looking for. Maybe I'm wrong, maybe not. Who knows? Or I could be interested in buying if we sweep below these lows, reject off of this order block, which we already kinda did. Well, let me drop low. This fucking internet. Look at the 15. Five. Huh. Yeah, so I either want to see it go up there, do a little something, then reverse, or start dropping now and then go up. Doesn't even have to take this sell side. But for now it's a waiting game. At least for my model. I don't know about yours. If you have a model, and don't just get into the trade blindly just because I said it's gonna go up there. Don't be fucking silly. Use your brain. Durations. Let's go back to the currencies. Ooh. Hello, Euro. Might be getting a possible short on Euro. Who knows? Who knows? Drop lower to the 5 minute. If we do reject this and start pushing lower, then obviously these lows are my target. Sell side. What about British pound? Let's go to the hourly. See, I like when, for example, Euro is trading into an order block and then pound is filling in a imbalance, a fair value gap, or whatever you want to fucking call it. Let's see how this candle closes. Yesterday was beautiful. We called it up. If you don't believe me, go and watch the second episode of the stream. If you were there and you caught the move, well done. Well done. I sure did. I entered around, I think it was like 5:26, around here. Held it for 3 hours. My entry was something like this. My original target was these lows. Could have held it for 4.5, but I'm happy with 3 hours. That's all I need. It's just my cat's fighting, sorry. Oh. Anyways, let's go back to Euro. Okay. Oh, fuck's sake. Let's take a paper trade, because why not? Let's fucking sell this bitch. And see how this goes. The settings. Let's see how this plays out, because we traded into an hourly order block, a 4-hour order block, they're all bearish order blocks by the way, then a 15-minute, which we closed below, which we kinda rejected, and as we rejected that 15-minute, we formed a 5-minute order block. We now traded into it. Let me go into the 1 minute. And on the 1 minute, we have this breaker block right here, which we traded into right here. Just keep in mind that this is not a fucking signal service. I'm not licensed to give you any advice. This is just my opinion. What I think might happen. As you can see, this is a paper trade. So don't be silly. And don't make financial decisions just because some guy on YouTube said so. Do your own fucking research. Okay, so anyway, I'm gonna let this play out. If pound is gonna go lower, obviously I wanna see this low get taken. And we wanna see dollar push higher into this order block. Sorry. Nasdaq is pushing higher. as I said, if you have a model, buy it. For all means, buy it. But I don't. And even if you bought it, you would be just getting in the middle of the range, so it's not very smart. But hey, who am I to judge? About ES, what's ES doing? ES is back into the daily fair value gap. Or order block, not fair value gap. It is trading into the 4-hour order block. Let's go into the hourly now. Hourly, I have an order block right here. Interesting. I like this rejection. I like that we didn't close inside this candle. Did we? No, we didn't. Then that would be your trend line liquidity. If I'm correct. If I'm not, oh well. It's only a paper trade, I don't even trade euro that much. I used to when I first started, but now I switched over to Nasdaq. And if I was gonna trade the euro, I would definitely trade the futures contract. Not this fucking CFD bullshit. Another thing, if Nasdaq is gonna push up to these levels, you're gonna get high resistance to the low side, like we did yesterday. If you were in the stream, I did say just because we had a clean run to the upside, which is called the low resistance, because there was no resistance, it was just going. Then we are gonna have high resistance to the downside, meaning we're gonna have a lot of pullbacks. Oh, what is this cat doing? Sorry. My cat's more important than this bullshit. Yeah, as I was saying, this low resistance, after every low resistance comes a high resistance, meaning this was a clean run, and here a lot of pullbacks. A lot of pullbacks. A lot of choppiness, a lot of pullbacks. Steady going lower, but with a lot of pullbacks. If you're not experienced, that could have made you go out. Let's say you got in here, dropped lower, you're gonna be like, oh, let's move it to break even, boom, stopped out. You get in again, drop lower, you're gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna move it to break even, boom, stopped out again, goes without you. That's why you need to be able to identify when a low resistance is coming and when high resistance is coming. Obviously you want to be inside the low resistance unless your model tells you otherwise, which I did say yesterday. My model yesterday was the downside move. I had no reason to buy it up here. Same like today. This is obviously a low resistance to the upside. It's just steady going up. So what comes after low resistance? High resistance. Or maybe we could nah, because this was a part of the high resistance right here. Oh, so tired. I'm gonna stay on for another 30 minutes or so. I need to go eat breakfast. Need to hit the gym today. These cats are so silly. I don't know if you can see them. See, the thing with the older cat, she's gonna attack the younger cat first, and then when the younger cat attacks her back, she starts meowing. What the fuck? Ooh. Nasdaq's doing something. For fuck's sake. Ooh, seems like Euro's back up. Was I wrong? Maybe. Do I care? Fuck no. Let's see how we react to this candle. This could be a high resistance to the low side. But who knows, who knows. let's see. Oh, for fuck's sake, these cats. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe not. Ooh. We did close inside it. We got Nasdaq though. Let's go back to Nasdaq. The good old Nasdaq. Nasdaq is my favorite asset to trade. I never trade ES. ES is, I don't know. I just don't like it. Wait, why did it not fucking trigger? Yeah, no. 7 pips. Back when I traded the currency size to trade pound. Pound and euro is kinda like Nasdaq and ES. Where pound is your Nasdaq and ES is your euro. Euro is nice and calm, where pound is fucking volatile. Same with Nasdaq. At least in my opinion. Ooh, Nasdaq dropped a little. Oh, seems like I was wrong on the euro. Where's my stop? 304. Oh, most definitely wrong on pound. Unless we just swept above that high to take liquidity. Then dump lower. Who knows, who knows. But that's why my focus is on Nasdaq. The euro trade is just something to keep you entertained. And it's not like you have to trade every move on the market. Trading is all about waiting for your setup. If you don't see your setup, just don't trade it. Go do something else. Go to the gym, go eat something, go for a run. Just because you're in front of the market doesn't mean that you have to trade. But some people think if you don't trade every single move, you're a bad trader. Which is bullshit. Ooh, stop loss on pound. Who knew? Who knew? Oh god. I guess that makes me bot trader now. Who gives a fuck? It's gonna be funny if it's gonna dump low or not. What about pound pound? Seems to be we traded. This is the 3-minute fair value gap. Seem to be rejecting it. I don't know what the fuck happened there. If it's gonna go lower, that's gonna be funny. Because Euro seems to be going lower. Who knows? What time did Nasdaq start pushing? 236. Like this number. And 427 it stopped. 3 plus 6. 2 plus 7. Interesting. Look at this shit. That's trading. Oh, fuck yeah. What time is it? I'm gonna stay on for another 20 minutes and I'm gone. I'll stay till 5 a.m. 5 a.m. Most likely Nasdaq will go into a little consolidation, which it usually does. What happened yesterday between 5 and 6? Exactly, see that? Yes, we did have this push higher, but then a little consolidation, and then starts going at the 650 macro. Oh, look at the previous day. What was this? Oh, that was CPI. Again. In this case, it started moving at the 550 macro. If you don't know what a macro is, go study ICT macros. Type that in, usually it should come up. Change this to 1 hour. Now this hourly boxes. Where's the 50? Midline. Make it smaller. Remember what I said yesterday. Take the fifth minute of every hour and see what happens. This. Oh, somebody joined the Telegram. Of course it's gonna go now. Fucking pound. See, pound is same like Nasdaq. It's just nasty little bitch. I mean, if this was my real trade, I would probably already be moving this to break even. Because that's more if I'm up to on the trade, move it to break even. Some people do it after 1 hour, which I totally understand. Because why the fuck would you take a loss after being up, for example, 1,000? That's just silly. Wait, what? What do you mean OBS disconnected? The stream still active? Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna move it to break even. Let's pretend this is a real trade. If you get stopped on break even, so be it. What's Nasdaq doing? Let's go look at Nasdaq. Still kinda in the middle. Pound is dropping though. Not pound euro, I mean. Pound stopped me out. Okay, little bitch. What? What's Nasdaq doing? Euro's back up. And it's rejecting this hourly order block. I don't like it, I don't like it. And it's 15-minute. And a 5-minute. Let's see. If it is gonna go low, I wanna see it respect this fair value gap right here. If not, then I was wrong. Go back to Nasdaq. Anyway, I think I'm gonna call it a day. I posted all the ideas in the Telegram. Make sure to join to be up to date. I think Euro's about to stop me out and break even. Oh well. Yeah, we did close above this fair value gap. It's not looking good. But yeah, anyway, for Nasdaq, I want to see it go higher to then drop. Similar case on ES, although probably have to sweep these highs to then drop lower. Euro, as I said before, I want to see it dump. Look at the 3-minute. I like the 3-minute. Let's see. But yeah, anyway, guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to join my Telegram. And I'll be back on Monday. Have a good weekend. Do some back testing or take some time off. And yeah, I'll see you Monday.